Critikal, an application built in Next.js. I have already signed up and logged in. Okay, so when you log in, initially you won't see any messages until someone has sent a message using a form. Okay, so you can copy this link to actually get your form. Okay, so let's paste it here. Okay, so once we get the form, we can assume a client wants to contact us. Okay, so henry@gmail.com, subject, they're talking about the new phones. Okay, so I am greatly unhappy with the phone I bought from one of your stores last month. All right, so we can send it. Okay, so the message is sent. We can go back to our dashboard and you'll see it appears here as the last one. Henry shows phones, and the priority is high because the sentiment in the message is negative. We can see the status is open, and that's how they are by default. When you click to see the message, you see the highlighted text is simply the negative sentence. The underlined, this is an opinion, a mind opinion, and as you can see, the opinion about the phone is that the user is unhappy. Okay, so you can actually set this message as actionable, which means you intend to work on what the message is about, or you can resolve it, meaning you've come to a conclusion, or there was a misunderstanding with the user, or you can delete it. Okay, so that's enough on the dashboard. We can go to Outlook. Okay, so in our inbox, all right, so that message has taken long to come through. We can use one of the other messages that we've seen on the dashboard. So through that, you can add an add-in. Here we've already installed one, Critikal Outlook, but basically when you're adding an add-in, you can get the add-in. Okay, so my add-ins, you come here, add from the URL. The URL is one that you find here, so you can simply copy that URL, then paste it there. All right, so once you do that, you can open the add-in. Okay, so let's just wait for the add-in to load. Okay, so it's loading. So once it's loaded, you can see this is the message from Bob. So we can resolve this one, assuming there was a misunderstanding. So once we resolve that, when you go to the dashboard, you see that the message from Bob should be resolved now. So it has been resolved, and that's so this one that's highlighted in yellow simply indicates that using key phrase extraction, the software extracted the word showroom, which we added as a tag that we are interested in. So it shows showroom here, which is a tag that we are interested in. Okay, so that's Critikal at a high level view. Thank you.